Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel Engineering Chronicles of Plant Design, and today I am going to start a new chronicle, which is chronicle number 6, and this is going to be part 1 of the chronicle number 6. And in this video we are going to see a lot about AutoCAD 3D. So let's quickly go to AutoCAD. So if you see, this is the window which is AutoCAD, right? Earlier in my video I have shown the here. If you go here, this is called workspace switching. Okay, so the command is ws current. If you write ws current in the command line, wscurrent, and you put enter, so it will last. Enter new value for ws current, drafting annotation. Okay, so here also you can switch from the command, or else you directly go to a ws switch. Click here, select 3D modeling. Okay, so now the window which you are saying, the watching, that window is called 3D modeling window of AutoCAD, or you can say this is a 3D modeling workspace. This is a 3D modeling workspace. So earlier we were working into a 2D modeling workspace. Now we are working into a 3D modeling workspace. Okay, so let's quickly, if you, so for example, now here if you see, no, that is called visual styles, sorry. You can select different style, 2D frame, conceptual, hidden, realistic. This will be useful when we do some modeling, and you can see how it works. And here it is, the view. So whenever you start the window, okay, on the right side corner of the screen, you see this north, east, west, south. So here you see it is in the top plane now. It is at the top plane. So since you have switched to 3D modeling, you can switch into different type of plane. Let us go to NW isometric. This is NW isometric. Sorry, SW isometric. If it is SE isometric, this is SE isometric. Southeast. You can see this is southeast. If you want southwest, this is southwest. If you want top plane, select top plane. This is top plane. If you want front plane, select front. This is front plane. Okay. So now let us switch SW isometric. Okay. So I want to switch this. I want to shift this user icon to this corner. I want to fix it. So the same command as we have seen in the 2D drafting. UCS icon, enter, and select no origin. Select no. It will go to the extreme left corner of the screen. Extreme left bottom corner of the screen. Okay. So let us draw something. Let us do some 3D modeling. So for example, if you want to draw a flange, so what you will do? So since it's in a front view, if I put a circle, if I draw a circle, it is coming in the front, coming in the front plane. But now I want to have it in a top plane. So here you see name UCS combo control. You can also control F1 to change this, but select here and select top. Select top and circle command, see, enter. You see now that circle is coming on the top view. Understood? If you want to have enough side view, left view, so it will come in the left view. If you want it on a right view, back view, it's the same, top and bottom is same, but it will be in the bottom. Okay, let us take top view. Let us model a flange. I'm modeling a flange 200 mm. Enter. Okay. So you remember one thing, that before doing anything in AutoCAD, drawing or modeling, since I am starting a new drawing, I am starting a new AutoCAD file. So you have what you have to do. Limits, I said, remember limits. Okay, if not setting the limits, if it is not important, you have to set, you always set unit. Always set units. Don't forget it, because what will happen, otherwise your unit will go into some other direction, measurements. So I have select millimeters here, right? Decimal, I can give n number of decimal precision. Clockwise, I will keep in anti-clockwise direction only. So I will select millimeter and I will select OK. That means now my drawing, whatever I will draw, will be in millimeter. If for example I want to convert it into inch, I can convert into inch from here. I can select inch, correct? But I want to have it in millimeters itself, so I will keep it in millimeters. Okay. Let us draw a circle. Top view, 200 mm. Enter. And offset command. View offset command. Maybe 50 mm. Enter. That's 50 mm. That means 50 mm means now I want to annotate. So don't forget which plane you are working. You are working on a top plane, right? So annotate linear, this quadrant and this quadrant. How much is the dimension? 50 mm. Correct? we have taken 50 mm difference. If I want to have 75 mm offset, so offset 75, enter this, enter. Okay, now I want to put circles, right? Press shift, press shift, then right click mid between 2 points, this quadrant and this quadrant. Automatically the pick point will go on the center between these 2 points. Okay, I'll let me take the diameter of hole as 20 mm, enter. Okay, if it is more, double click, change diameter from here. I've taken radius, sorry, I've taken radius 20, sorry. Let us do again. Center, circle, enter, shift, right click between 2 point, this quadrant, automatically it has gone to center. So what it is given here, specify radius of circle or diameter. So I want to have diameter now, so you put diameter and then enter, and diameter of 25, enter. So if you want to cross check, just double click on this, you will have diameter of 25, it is 12.5. Okay, so now you want to have 8 number of holes in the circle. So you have to draw 8 number of holes with tough way. Easy ways, anyone remember from the 2D drafting? If you remember, we have to use array, right? But don't forget to use this top plane, because for example now let me see, if I've considered separate type of plane, front plane, and I want to do array. So let me take ARR AY array command, or simply AR, enter. I want polar, right? Polar. If I take this center, so see how it is coming. You can see, because it is working in the front plane, it is working in the front plane, so it will not come like this, it will come only into the front plane itself. So let me change into top plane, correct? Array again, enter, select object, enter, polar, yes. It is asking specify center point, center point. How many number of items you want? We said we want 8, enter. Okay, close array. So now you have array. So we want to have a flange, right? So if you want to have a flange, that is separate, there is 2-3 option. Directly we can use press pull. We select press pull, select this, and let me copy this first. For the simple understanding. Okay, select press pull here. Okay, don't select the center press pull, go here. You see it has taken this all this together. Select this, and you want how much to mm flange, 25 mm flange, enter. So now if you go and change to conceptual or realistic or shaded, you can see this has become flange, correct? This has become flange. It's an orbit, take an orbit, see, this has become flange. Okay, this is one way of doing. Okay, the other way, press pull is a simple way to do it. Okay, let us keep that flange. Again I'll do press pull, select, see, press pull. What mistake I have done now, I am selecting only this as a circle. So if you see, if you go to wireframe, if you see, it is only circle is coming, not the flange. Correct? It is a big plate, like a plate, not like a flange. So if I am using press pull, you select proper area, and then you put 25 mm, enter. Okay, bounded area. Okay, I will move, enter, it will go. So now if you see, it has come like this. Okay, so I'll change to 2D frame. And now again I'll teach you 2-3 commands how to make a flange in a tougher way, but it is the use of command itself. I'll exclude this too. This command is this command, but I may not able to extrude. Let us use a command called extrude. It's you extrude here, right? So the command is select this two and put ext extrude, and then 25 mm, enter. Okay, now again select this circle and then see ext, enter. What is saying? Select object to extrude. That means it is not taking this object. Why? Because it is a block. So when you extrude, press pull is okay. You can press pull from the block, but you cannot extrude from the block. So to remove the block, you have to explode the block. So X command, enter, select this, enter. Okay, now select this complete circle. Okay, and extrude extrude 25 mm, enter. Okay, so now if you see in the shaded version, it is like a plate only, but this is separate, this plate is separate, hole is separate, right? So there is a command called subtract. What is the command? Subtract. Subtract means what? 4 minus 2, 5 minus 3, like that. Okay, bigger minus smaller, always don't forget bigger minus smaller. Okay, it's like a max only. Subtract SU and space, subtract. It says select this object, enter. Subtract set object. Okay, so now if you go and shaded version, it has become plate like this. Understood? I'll do it again. Sorry, I'll do it again. No issue. Subtract, enter. First the bigger plate, space, then the smaller plate, then again a space or enter. If you go shaded, you can see it's in extracted. Correct. So again for small holes also SU, enter. Now since this is become a single unit, you can select this. Okay, enter. Now small. What is small? Select all together. Select all. Sorry, subtract, enter, and select all this together. Okay, and then if you press enter, and if you go to wireframe shaded, it has become the whole has come now. The whole has come. Okay, so this is another way. Subtract. Okay, so one more thing, one more way. Other way of doing is I have taken this circle separately and this whole separate light. We can do it all together also. Subtract, space, select this, enter, all this together, enter, go wireframe, do shaded, it is all separated. Okay, so while go to wireframe. So we have seen subtract command, we have seen exclude command. Okay, so now we will see, for example, we have made flange. Now you want to make a cone, or you want to make a frustum. For example, you want to make a frustum circle. I want to change the view to top view now, or I want to change the view to, okay, top view will remain in top view itself. Circle, select the bottom circle is 500 radius, diameter 500, enter. Okay, so one more circle I'll draw, diameter 250, enter. Okay, now first one means what? Circle, right, with a conical shape. So select this circle, move up with the 500 mm. So select ortho first, okay, because this is not ortho, so it will not go to a proper, it will not be perpendicular in length. It will not go so start ortho, select object, move command, move 500 mm on top. Okay, so now if you use loft command, loft, or you can go here and select loft from here also. So loft loft, enter this command, this object first, this object second, and enter. It says guide path cross section only. Let's say cross section only. So now if you see and shaded, it has become frustum. Understood? It has become frustum now. Okay, so next is, the next command is revolve. Okay, for example, now you want to make a bottle, a round bottle. Okay, so what will happen, how you will do? So extrude command is very difficult. On loft command you have to make different cross section and you have to select the different cross section to loft, right? So that is difficult. So how we will do a bottle, a typical bottle, will change into front view now. Will change into front view. Okay, I'll select rectangle, for example, and I'll make a 250 to 50 by 100, 150, enter. Sorry, rectangle, select a point, dimension D, space 50, enter, 100, 150, enter. Okay, so what will happen now? Rectangle will come. If you want to check the dimension, see now we have two. Now you are in the front view, right? If you go to annotate, if you want to measure, so you can measure only in the front dimension. Okay, 50. Select here. It will come 150. Now I want to measure this top dimension. Okay, let's see if it happens or not. I'm setting this point and this point. It is coming. It is coming, but it is coming over here, 250 mm. So dimension also we can check in different lanes. So let us change to front now. So I said we are making a revolve, right? I'll make a little bit larger. Let us. I'll not take any dimension. Just just draw like this only, and line from center line. This is a center line, for example. Okay. Now I'll make a circle. I'll move the circle to bottom. Just pretty it one I'm making. Okay, trim. Okay, trim. Let us move a little bit like this. So let me trim this also. Sorry. So I'll move a little bit like this. I'll move it down. I'll move it down. I'll make a line, one more line like this. I'm not taking any dimension. Okay, don't forget I'm not taking any dimension. So you can move this both the line if you want like this, and I'll trim this also. TR double this. Okay. So I'll trim this. I'll trim this. TR double enter. Why am I not able to trim? Okay. So what I've done, I'll tell you again. TR enter, cutting edge. This is the cutting edge. I'll select this cutting edge, this line, enter, and select this. It adds trim again. Okay, it has trim now. So now again TR double space this. Okay, we can. Okay. I'll delete this line. I'll delete this line, and I will make a single line from here to here. So we want to revolve. We want to revolve this, right? We can move this down also. If we want to move it down, we can move it down a little bit. Okay. So to revolve, now you can, if you select, if I select this line is a separate. So I have to region this. I have to region REG space, select all the object, enter, enter. This has become region. Region means single. It has become a single block. So whenever you want to revolve, you convert the model into a region. Okay, then go here, select a revolve command directly, or you can put rev, it will come revolve command, enter. So what it says, select object to revolve, enter. Axis, how I want to revolve. So I'll select this line and I'll select this line. Okay, how much you want to revolve, full angle, half angle. We can put angles here. I'll just put 360 degree, enter. So if you go here, if you go to shaded frame, so see it is somewhat like a bottle. Okay, so it has become, it is, so in the revolve command you can use it like this. Okay, this is revolve command. So next is the sweep command. I hope this much is enough for this video. So the remaining we can have it in a separate section. So thank you a lot, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as possible. Thanks a lot. Bye.